data, which we have the branches, we have the region where those branches are, we have the city where those branches are, we have the staff count, how many workers do we have in those branch, we have the operating cost, how much it costs to run those branch or that particular branch, we have the revenue, how much that particular branch bring in, we have the profits at which that particular bank is bringing, we have the profit rate if there was a loss or if there was profit realized, we have revenue per employee, the amount, the revenue per one employee. So that brings us to our dashboard, which summarizes and explains everything to us. We have 20 branches in total, 59.4 million US dollars in revenue. So that means our 20 branches in total yielded 59.4 million US dollars in revenue. Also, our 20 branches in total, it cost us 21.2 million US dollars to run those 20 branches in total. Our most profitable branch is the branch 003 with 4.8 million US dollars. Our total profit is 38.3 million US dollars. That is revenue minus operating cost from the revenue. So we have the most profitable region. This chart shows us that from our data, this chart shows us that the south is the most profitable region. South brought in more money for Metro Bank. Then we have the branch with the highest operating cost. Branch 006 cost Metro Bank the most money to operate. Branch 006 cost Metro Bank the most money to operate. Branch with the highest profit rate, branch 013. Branch 013 brought in more profit, 95% profit for Metro Bank. Then we have the most profitable branch. The most profitable branch is branch 003, like just what we just like what we said here, which is 4.8 million US dollars. We have branch with the most revenue per employee, which we talked about in the data when I showed the data. So like some of our key details that we could get from this data is that branch 006 has the highest operating cost, 1.9 million US dollars, and brings revenue of 4.7 million US dollars with a profit rate of 59%. Second fact you can derive from data is that larger staffs does not mean or does not equals larger revenue. The highest revenue made is $5.9 million with 85 staffs, while there are other branches with larger amount of employees, like the second largest amount of staffs, which is 193 staffs, and they made 1.4 million US dollars. So that tells us that larger staff doesn't equate to larger revenue. And based on data, I would choose branch 001 I'll choose to close branch 001 because it is not profitable and incurs too much loss. We spend too much to operate it and it brings in little to nothing. It costs us loss. And I also like us to invest more in branch 013 because even though we just 18 staffs there, which is the least, it yields 95% profit. And I believe that if we invest more employ more staffs, branch O13 would bring us a lot, would do better numbers in when we talk about the profit rate. So that's all. This links us to the pivot table. This links us to the data set. Thank you.